Today, we shall have a look at a screwdriver set. It's in the box. In the box, в коробці. Let's open. Open, відкрити. We have a handle. Handle. We have tweezers. Tweezers. And here we have screwdriver bits. Також їх ще називають screw heads. We also have marking here. Marking, маркування. Let's have a look. We can see letters PH. PH reads like F. It means Phillips. Phillips means хрестова. Як бачимо по маркуванню, їх має бути 4 штучки. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's find them. Here they are. So these are Phillips. The size. 00 means 1.5 to 1.9 millimeters. And 10 means 2 millimeters. Number 1 means 2.1 to 3 millimeters. And number 2 means 3.1 to 5 millimeters. Next we can see letter T. T stands for Torx. Torx has a shape of a star. Can you see them? These are Torx. In the marking, we also have numbers T4, T5, T6. T4 is 1.28 millimeters. T5 is 1.42 millimeters, and so on. You can see the size in the list. Next is hex. Hex. Шестигранна. They look like this. Each number stands for millimeters. So H 1.5 means 1.5 millimeters, and H 2.0 means 2 millimeters, and so on. The next screw heads are flathead. Flathead plus key. They are here. Flathead. In the marking, you also can see the millimeters. This is round screwdriver. Round, кругла. It is also called, вона також називається O-shaped, форма O, літера O. Spanner. Spanner is also called U-shaped. Triangle. Triangle. Трикутна. So that is all about our screwdriver set. Let's close it. Practice time. Час попрактикуватися. Write the names in the comments. Напишіть назви в коментарях. What's this? What are they? What's this? What are they? What's this? What are these? What are these? What's this? What's this? What's this? What are these? What are these?